Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. In this video I'll be walking you through on how to set stop loss and take profit for a spot trade. Do you understand? I'm going to walk you through. So all you need to do now is once you get to the home page of kucoin, let's assume you have a coin that you've entered before, maybe a particular trade you are on spot, and you want to set take profit and stop loss. Maybe when price gets to this particular point, let me take profit. When price gets to this particular point, let me stop. Do you understand? So I'll be using SRP again. Do you understand? So let me use SRP. So let me first of all buy the coin. Before you can set stop loss and take profit for any coin on spot, you need to have bought the coin. That is, must be in the trade of that particular coin. So let me click buy the coin now. So now I have the coin in my wallet. Can you see it here? 33 SRP. I have the coin available, 33. So I have the coin in my wallet. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and set my stop loss and take profit. So for you to set your stop loss, let's go with stop loss first. So for you to set your stop loss, you choose the sell button, then you go with a stop limit. Do you understand? So for this stop limit, currently I bought the price at the current market price, which is 0.47. So maybe I want to set my stop loss to 0.45. That okay, when price gets to 0.45, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. Just stop me out. Do you understand? So that is, if price continue to fall and it falls to 0.45, take me out of this trade. I don't want to be in this trade anymore. That's one of the usefulness of stop loss. So I will input 0.45 and the same thing here, 0.45. Repeat the same thing. Do you understand? Put 100%. Since it's the whole SRP trade I am in, I want to set stop loss for 100% and click on sell. Do you understand? Can you see order has been successfully? This is it. Can you see stop limit, which is sell order? So once price gets to 0.45, even when you're not in the market, you're not with your phone, anything, and price falls, maybe there's a huge fall in the market and price falls and it gets to 0.45, is going to stop me out. I will just have a little loss. So that's for that. And if you have to set take profit also, maybe when, let me cancel this, maybe when price gets to maybe like 0.6 or 0.55, that's above the current market price. So that okay, let me take profit. So I will just change the price to, maybe when price gets to 0.55, please help me to take my profit. Okay, let me just use 0.6. Anyone, it's still above the current price. So maybe when price gets 0.6, let me take profit. You pick the same price. When price gets 0.6, let me take profit 100%, then sell. So it's going to automatically pend here also, so that whenever the price gets to 0.6, even when you're not in the market, it's going to help you to sell your coin back to USDT, because I'm using a USD pair. So that's just that. So it's very good to set stop loss and also very good to set take profit, because you might not be in the market when the market is making a move. Do you understand? So then another thing is that on a kucoin, do you understand, they don't have a particular what do you call it, a particular price, a particular function which is called OCO, where you can set both stop loss and take profit together. Do you understand? At once with a single function, you can set both stop loss and take profit in a single function. But for this function of kucoin that we have on kucoin, you can only choose to set either take profit, or you can choose to set either stop loss. Do you understand me? So you either of the two you choose to set. So stop loss is very important because you use to minimize losses. So that's just the way it is. But so you can choose. You have to choose either to set. Let me choose. Let me show you something now. Let's assume I said to set a stop loss of maybe 0.45. 0.45. Do you understand? 100% sell. Do you understand? So now, okay, I guess you can do it. Nice one. So if you want to set the stop loss now, that's my stop loss of 0.45. Do you understand? Let's assume I want to set my take profit 0.6. Same thing, 0.6. So can you see now? It's not going. And the reason is that I've already created an order which is for this. So there's no way I can create another order again for my take profit. So I have to choose either to set a stop loss or take profit at a time. So I can't set the both together at the same time. So because they don't have the function. The function is one cancel the other, OCO. So you don't have the function. So that's how to set take profit and stop loss. Just choose either to set a stop loss or choose that to set take profit. Do you understand? So that's for that. There is another way again, but I will be explaining that in the next video, where you can set a stop loss and take profit at the same time with a single order. Do you understand? But is in the next video. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And then our next video also, we'll be talking about a futures trade. Thank you very much. God bless.